welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing a get ready with me, just focusing on my base, so my primer, foundation, concealer, brows. Those four, is that four things? I don't know, but anyways, gonna just be talking to you guys just about my thoughts on being a stay-at-home mom now for 2.5 years, and never I never thought I this would be my life. So I'm just gonna prime my skin with the Hourglass. I just have this small little sample from Sephora. Someone had recently asked me, did I like being a stay-at-home mom? I didn't even answer the person. We started talking about something else, but my answer really to that is, for me, it's not a matter of like or dislike. It's a matter of what's necessary and what I feel is necessary for my family and my son. So I knew that when I had Isaiah that I was not going back to work, and because I just didn't trust people with my baby. I just wouldn't put my baby in daycare because I wanted to raise my own child, and I knew he was going to be so little for only a short amount of time, and I wanted that time with him. So as far as me staying home, that did come with a lot of sacrifices and a lot of consequences and a lot of issues. A little bit, I guess I want to say a little bit of depression, postpartum depression while staying at home, and it was just a lot to deal with, and not having any money, and always being alone, because when you are a stay-at-home mother, you are by yourself all the time, and that can become very, very mentally draining, more than so next I'm just going to, because it's hot, I'm just gonna spray some of this Urban Decay De-Slick on my face just to prime it just a little bit more. I feel like people have this idea that all I do is paint my nails all day long and drink wine, and that's the last thing I do, is paint my nails and I won't say drink wine, but I kind of just want to carry like strap a camera to me, so that people can actually see just how much stay-at-home moms do. And this is not to bash women who work. I'm not even getting on that, because I know that's just as hard to leave your babies with someone else. So I'm not saying that. I'm just focusing on stay-at-home moms right now, and the struggle, and the physical struggle, and also the mental struggle. So next I'm going to, I think I'm gonna do my brows. A few things that I do miss about working would definitely be the conversation. I do miss having other adults to talk to and go out to eat with, go out to lunch with. A lot of days I am just in the house. That looks really brown on camera, but it's not that brown, or is it? At my previous job where I worked, I came out with two great girls that I absolutely adore, and I love them to pieces, and you know, just that kind of stuff, just like having girl talk at work, or just, you know, being able to get out of the house. I do miss that kind of stuff, and that's something that my husband doesn't quite understand. I just don't think he'll ever get it. You know, I always tell him, like, whenever he comes home, I want to, you know, get out the house. Like, I have to get out the house or whatever, because I've been here all day, and a lot of times I just want to get out by myself. I don't want to get out with Isaiah, because I've been with him all day long, you know, and the last thing I feel like doing is going to Target and running around and chasing the 2-year-old through Target, when I'm just trying to, you know, run some errands, have a moment to myself, and you know, that's about it. However, I will sacrifice anything for my baby right now, for Isaiah, and if I've got to sit there and watch 50,000 episodes of Paw Patrol and Super Wing and Boss Baby and Sesame Street to have this little bit of time with him and miss out on, you know, the other stuff, then I'm okay with that. I think what bothers me the most is when, like, I know that my family is joking, but like, or not even my family, people just be like, what are you doing? Nothing. I just be wanting to scream some days because of everything that I'm trying to do. So another thing that I wanted to talk about is just as a stay-at-home mom, feeling like you are worthless. So whether you got your degree, which I don't have a college degree, just put that out there, and I'm not ashamed or anything to say that. So whether you have your degree or whatever and you're not using it, and or if you don't have your degree, just being a stay-at-home mom is a thankless job. All you do all day is clean, take care of a human who calls you a crybaby. That's all my son calls me these days, is a crybaby. He just learned the word. He has no clue what he's saying. But anyways, this was like the last time my sister came. Her and my husband were on the couch and they were just chatting it up. And the living room was a mess. Isaiah's toys were everywhere. I was tired, my back was hurting. It was just, everything was just horrible. What made me upset and feel kind of out of place was I couldn't talk with them on the issue that they were talking about. It was kind of like I felt like the stupid stay-at-home mom who doesn't know anything, and they were talking about like big stuff. Not necessarily, I know they weren't, but that's just kind of how I felt. And I felt very like, this is my life, like this is me. I never thought that I would feel this way about myself. I never thought that I would feel like an idiot, or I can't, you know, carry on a conversation with other people because I'm just focusing on making sure Isaiah just stops pulling his what do you call those things, pull-up off that's full of crap, and I just want him to go pee-pee and poo-poo on the potty, like, and just sleep at nighttime. I can't talk to you about what idiot thing Donald Trump said today because it's gonna be something, or I can't talk to you about what idiot rapper did this and did that and all that kind of stuff, or the new song that came out and the new dances, how do we do the dance. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. But my focus right now is just on getting a bath, getting him a bath, Isaiah a bath, getting some food on the table, not gaining any more weight. So I have really been liking this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I never buy anything from Too Faced, but this is the color that Jackie Aina came out with. I am in Butter Pecan, and y'all, I like this. I like this just as much as I like my Fenty foundation. Whenever I use my beauty blender, I try my best to really press the beauty blender in. Oh my god, I'm looking super orange. Okay, let me hurry up so I don't look so crazy. I'm looking like super orange. Come on color, don't do this to me. I'm trying to show you off to the world and you got me looking like an Oompa Loompa, which is not cute. And I'm using a Tarte Shape Tape. I get it, we had boycotted Tarte. I haven't bought any more of their products, but I'm not throwing this away because I don't have money like that. So I'm gonna just finish it up. I'm gonna use it.
Here, the Tarte eyes. I'm about to go crazy. On the nose. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of putting it on my chin because I don't like my chin, so I just do like this.
If you are a stay-at-home mom, leave a comment below if you feel me, like if you understand what I'm saying. It is a very hard job. I never thought I would be a stay-at-home mom, never. I always joked about it, like, oh, I just want a rich husband and stay at home with the kids, like that kind of stuff. And they always say, like, be careful what you wish for. I like being able to see, though, Isaiah like grow up and change and like all this stuff. He's freaking funny. Like, that kid is hilarious. And I like knowing that I was there with his changes, because I think I've always like knowing that my mom was at home, you know, as much as she probably got on my last nerves and my siblings' last nerves, because I'm the youngest of 4. So y'all know she got on our nerves. It was always nice to have her there. I'm sure I didn't appreciate it when I was younger. Of course I didn't, because when you're younger, you only care about yourself. But I kind of want that for Isaiah. Yeah. I know my mama is watching this, so mama, I appreciate you. You the bomb, girl. You everything and more, girlfriend. So yeah, and she know that. She knows she more Mercier setting powder, and just gonna set my under eyes.
With this, I don't really like to bake because it just brings out like my under eye creases that I have.
That's how we're looking. I will be right back with my finished makeup look, and then we will get started on hair. As this hair goes, let's get started. I am wearing a wig that I made from Ali Julia Hair. Ali or Ali? It's probably Ali, but I always say Ali. I don't know. Anyways, Julia Hair. I'm wearing 2 bundles of 22-inch Malaysian curly and 1 20-inch frontal. But this is looking a mess right now, so let's go ahead and fix it.
First I think I'm going to kind of rock it like this though, like a deep heart of such.
This, I think I kind of like it, like just kind of big and out there. For my hair, I am simply going to just take my water bottle first and spritz. Side is longer. Look at that. Let's cut that some, because this side is shorter than this side. Now that we got some water up in his hair, I'm just gonna take my Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, and kind of just start going by sections and adding a little bit of this I don't quite see everything, but yeah, I definitely need to cut a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll wait till the final result.
I see you.
Hmm?
See you, Mama. I see you.
Okay. All right, you guys, so here is the final look for the hair. It is it is something different. I don't know if I am in like the 80s. Is that 80s? Am I right with saying 80s? So I like this. I like the short hair. I like this look. I think I would definitely like have to get used to something like this. I do like short hair, but I don't know if I've ever done like short curly hair before. But yeah, so anyways, I just diffused the hair for maybe, I don't even know if I did it for 5 minutes because I did not soak the hair in the beginning, so I did not have a lot of diffusing to do. Other than that, just keep in mind that this hair is going, the more you touch it, the bigger it's gonna get. And in order to get bigger hair, which is probably what I'll end up doing, is just taking a pick and picking the hair out, or just using your fingers and like loosening up the curls, which I will probably gradually do. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. This is my first kind of get ready with me chit chat about random stuff that's going on in my head. But yeah, if you'd enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, whatever you want to comment. I'd love to talk to you guys and just create some dialogue about what I spoke about. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie. And if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.